Not all superheroes wear capes. Some are armed with a Swiss Army knife and duct tape. These are the best life hacks they didn't teach you at school. Welcome back to the channel. We've gathered 30 survival tips and tricks that will help make your transition into the real world just a little bit easier. It's time to face it. You don't know everything there is to know about adulting, but no one does. And figuring things out as you go can sometimes lead to some pretty tough lessons. We've got some tips to hopefully help you avoid a few of those. From tech tips to life tips, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Number 1, how to deal with ants quickly. Don't let these tiny little critters cause a huge problem. If you're dealing with an ant invasion, don't worry. We've got a simple trick to stop them in their tracks. Mix up a solution of equal parts water and white vinegar and spray it around the entry points of your home. Ants hate the smell of vinegar. It acts as a natural repellent. So sit back and watch those ants disappear. No. 2. How to remove stickers. Have some unwanted stickers stuck on your car or other surface? No problem. Just grab some WD-40 and apply it to the sticker. Let it sit for about 15 minutes and then wipe it off with a soft cloth. Boom, sticker gone. No. 3. How to clean your clothes. Tired of your clothes looking a bit dull? Give them a refresh by tossing a scoop of baking soda into your washing machine along with your regular detergent. The baking soda will help brighten colors and make your clothes look like new. Number 4. How to avoid mosquito bites. Spending a summer evening outside and mosquitoes are biting you. Try rubbing a small amount of petroleum jelly, like Vaseline, on exposed skin. The mosquitoes find it hard to bite through the jelly and it creates a barrier between your skin and the pesky insects. No. 5. How to keep your plants alive. Don't let your green thumb turn brown. Use the finger dip method to determine if your plants need watering. Simply stick your finger into the soil up to the first knuckle. If it's dry, it's time to water. If it's moist, wait a bit longer. Number 6. How to prevent cloth diapers from leaking. Cloth diapers can be tricky. To prevent leaks, try putting a waterproof mattress cover under your baby's changing pad. This will help contain any accidents and make cleanup a breeze. Number 7. How to quickly defrost frozen food. Need to defrost something quickly. Place the frozen food in a plastic bag. Submerge it in a bowl of warm water and wait. The water will help speed up the defrosting process. Just make sure to change the water every few minutes to keep it cool. Number 8. How to clean your shower head. A dirty shower head can ruin your daily shower. To clean it, remove the shower head. Soak it in white vinegar for an hour. Scrub it with a brush and rinse it thoroughly. Now enjoy your refreshing shower. No. 9. How to remove lint from a dryer vent. A clogged dryer vent can be dangerous. To clean it, disconnect the vent from the dryer. Use a brush or vacuum to remove lint, and then reconnect it securely. Number 10. How to get rid of silverfish. These little guys can be a pain. To get rid of silverfish, mix up a solution of water and dish soap. Spray it around cracks and crevices where they like to hide, and watch them disappear. Number 11. How to make your own yogurt. Don't throw away old yogurt. Use it to make your own yogurt. Simply heat milk, add a spoonful of the old yogurt as a starter, let it cool and set, and you've got fresh yogurt. No. 12. How to prevent clogged pores. Oily skin can clog pores. Use a simple trick to keep them clear. Mix a teaspoon of honey with a pinch of turmeric powder, apply it to your face, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then rinse. Honey and turmeric will help reduce inflammation and unclog pores. No. 13. How to clean your makeup brushes. Dirty makeup brushes can spread bacteria. Clean them regularly by soaking them in a solution of mild soap and warm water, then rinse and air dry. Number 14. How to fix a cracked windshield. A cracked windshield can be dangerous. Fix it quickly with a DIY repair kit. Simply clean the crack, insert the film, apply pressure, and let the adhesive seal the crack. Number 15. How to remove water from a phone. Water and phones don't mix well. To remove water from your phone, place it in a container filled with rice. Leave it for several hours, and then check to see if the phone is dry. Rice absorbs moisture and can help dry out your phone. Number 16. How to deal with a clogged shower drain. A clogged shower drain can be a nightmare. To prevent hair from clogging the drain, put a strainer in the shower to catch hair and debris. Regularly clean the strainer to keep the water flowing freely. Number 17. How to improve your memory. Want to remember things better? Use the method of loci, also known as the memory palace. Associate things you want to remember with specific locations in a familiar place like your home. This can help jog your memory when you need it. Number 18. How to control your emotions. Feeling overwhelmed by emotions. Take a deep breath, count to 10, and then respond. This will give you time to calm down and choose how you react. No. 19. How to learn faster. Want to learn something new quickly? Use active recall to consolidate and memorize information. Test yourself regularly and review material you find challenging. This will help you retain information and learn faster. No. 20. How to improve focus. Can't seem to focus on tasks. Create a distraction-free environment, minimize interruptions, and use a timer to stay on track. Taking breaks can also help you refocus when you come back to the task. No. 21. How to avoid procrastination. Are you guilty of procrastination? Break tasks into smaller steps to make them more manageable. Reward yourself for completing tasks and hold yourself accountable for deadlines. Number 22. How to reduce stress. Feeling stressed out. Practice mindfulness by focusing on the present moment without judgment. Deep breathing exercises can also help calm your mind and body when you're feeling overwhelmed. Number 23. How to improve sleep quality. Not getting a good night's sleep. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and ensure your room is dark, quiet, and cool. Number 24. How to boost your confidence. Lacking confidence. Set realistic goals and celebrate your achievements. Positive self-talk and visualizing success can also help boost your confidence. Number 25. How to motivate yourself. Need a little motivation? Remind yourself of your values and goals. Break tasks into smaller steps and reward yourself for accomplishments. Number 26. How to build healthy habits. Want to build healthy habits? Start small and focus on one habit at a time. Use habit stacking to link a new habit to an existing one. Celebrate small wins and be patient with yourself. Number 27. How to manage digital distractions. Can't seem to focus with all the digital distractions around you? Set boundaries by designating tech-free zones and times. Turn off notifications and use website blockers if needed. Number 28. How to embrace solo activities. Don't feel like socializing all the time. That's okay. Embrace solo activities like reading, hiking, or watching movies. You'll have time to meet people later on, but right now it's important to focus on yourself. No. 29. How to set boundaries. Setting boundaries in your relationships is crucial for your well-being. Learn to say no when you need to and communicate your needs and limits to others. Healthy relationships should be based on mutual respect and understanding. No. 30. How to find support when you're struggling. Life can be tough, but you don't have to go through it alone. Reach out to friends, family, or mental health professionals when you're struggling. There's no shame in asking for help, and it's a sign of strength, not weakness. There you have it, folks. We hope you learned some valuable tricks to help you navigate the ups and downs of early adulthood. Remember, you've got this. It's not always easy being an adult, but with a little know-how and a sense of humor, you'll be able to handle whatever comes your way. Did we miss anything? What are some hacks you've learned that have made your life easier? Share with us in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.